How to repost your own video on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you can launch a TikTok application in your mobile device. Now to often repost your videos on TikTok, all you need to do is tap on the share icon, then you will see this repost icon. By tapping on it, you'll be able to repost your video. However, if you go ahead and check out your own profile and check out your own video, there you will see the three dot icon. When you click on it, you will see that there is no such option as repost. In this case, what you can do is you can click on the do it icon. After which you'll be able to do it with the same video. You can select the layout of your do it as well. If not, you can even upload a video as a duet. So this is how still you can interact with your own video by not using the repost feature. Wasn't this video informative to you? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.